Welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add grid view in Google Meet. Google Meet lets you adjust how many screens you can see while in a call with its grid view. If you'd like to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to enable the grid view on your Google Meet, open up your web browser and log into your Google Meet account first and simply start a meeting. Invite any participants that you'd like by clicking on this Add Other button and select one of your contacts to whom you'd like to invite. Send them an invitation. Now, once the participants start joining into your meeting, at the bottom of the screen, click on these three dots, which will bring up an expanded menu. Click on this Change Layout option. And from this page, select the tiled option in order to see every participant in the meeting at the same time. In my case, I only have one participant, so it's showing me only one grid, but the more participants that you have, it'll be displayed on the screen at the same time if you choose the tiled option. If you'd like to adjust the number of tiles that you want to see on the display, use the slider right here at the bottom in order to select the maximum number of tiles that you'd like to display on your window. After you're done, click on this cross button and there you have successfully added grid on your Google Meeting. That is how you'll be able to add a grid on your Google Meet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.